Okay, now we are going to see the practical how to identify Bluetooth based mouse, keyboard, and other devices. So, are you all familiar with Bluetooth? Do you
Yes,
all
ma'am.
know
Yes.
what? Okay. Now, most of you must have seen Bluetooth based mouse and keyboard. What is it? It is wireless mouse and keyboard. Okay. Bluetooth based means what? It is wireless. So what is Bluetooth based mouse? A mouse that connects to the computer without a cord. Mice are commonly used within tablet because most tablets have Bluetooth built in. A Bluetooth mouse is a computer mouse that uses radio wave to communicate wirelessly with a computer. Bluetooth mice are mobile, have great range, and can be used with many different devices. So nowadays, all the devices comes with Bluetooth. Okay, built-in Bluetooth they have. Okay, if your computer don't have Bluetooth, then you have to purchase the dongle, and you have to plug that dongle into USB port of your computer. And after that, Bluetooth will be activated on your PC. If the Bluetooth is not built in your on your PC, जर ब्लूटूथ जर तुमच्या पीसी मध्ये नसेल ऑलरेडी, ही फॅसिलिटी तुमच्या पीसी मध्ये नसेल, तर तुम्हाला काय करावं लागतं, एक ब्लूटूथचं डोंगल घ्यावं लागतं आणि ते कुठे प्लग करायचं, ते डोंगल तुमच्या पीसीच्या यूएसबी पोर्ट मध्ये प्लग करायचं. ते यूएसबी ब्लूटूथचं डोंगल तुम्ही यूएसबी पोर्टला प्लग केलं की ब्लूटूथची फॅसिलिटी तुमच्या पीसीवर ऍक्टिव्हेट होते. मग एकदा जर तुम्ही ब्लूटूथ ऍक्टिव्हेट केलं की तुम्ही ते वायरलेस कीबोर्ड आणि माऊस यूज करू शकता. Now, how to identify Bluetooth based mouse? How you identify the Bluetooth based mouse? Press and hold the connect button on the bottom of the mouse. If the device has battery indications light, it will blink and alternate between red and green to indicate the device is discoverable. On the computer, open the Bluetooth software. The Bluetooth software is typically located in the control panel. If you see the Bluetooth, if you see the yes option, that means the mouse is Bluetooth based mouse. Okay. Now, how to identify Bluetooth based keyboard? A Bluetooth keyboard is a wireless keyboard that connects and communicates with its parent device via Bluetooth protocol. A Bluetooth keyboard uses a wireless receiver that goes into one of the USB port of your computer. Bluetooth keyboards operate on batteries that must be charged so that keyboard can work. Now we will see the difference between USB keyboard and Bluetooth keyboard. USB keyboard screen share नहीं होते का?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will see the difference between what is Bluetooth keyboard. It is again wireless keyboard. What is Bluetooth mouse? It is again a wireless mouse. Now we will see the difference between USB keyboard, that is wired keyboard, and Bluetooth keyboard, that is wireless keyboard. Now what is USB keyboard? A USB keyboard connects to your computer via cable that goes into your computer's USB port. And what is Bluetooth keyboard? समजलं का? यूएसबी कीबोर्ड म्हणजे काय आहे? कीबोर्डला एक यूएसबी पोर्ट असतो आणि तो पोर्ट त्या पोर्ट मध्ये काय करायचं आहे? कीबोर्डचा यूएसबी केबल प्लग करायची. आणि ब्लूटूथ कीबोर्ड म्हणजे काय? वायरलेस कीबोर्ड आहे. अ ब्लूटूथ कीबोर्ड uses wireless receiver that goes on into one of your USB ports on your computer. याला एक ब्लूटूथ कीबोर्डला एक वायरलेस रिसिव्हर आहे. तो रिसिव्हर कुठे प्लग केलेला असतो? तुमच्या पीसीच्या USB पोर्ट मध्ये. USB keyboard draw power from the computer and do not require batteries. याला बॅटरी नाहीये, त्यामुळे याला चार्ज करावं लागत नाही. ब्लूटूथ कीबोर्ड्स ऑपरेट ऑन बॅटरीज दॅट मस्ट बी चार्ज सो दॅट कीबोर्ड कॅन वर्क. It lacks mobility and flexibility because of the cable. So USB cable, we cannot use it as a mobile keyboard easily. Whereas for Bluetooth keyboard, no cable means more mobility and flexibility, which means increased amount of space. As it is wireless keyboard, you can easily use it with flexibility and mobility. रेंज इज लिमिटेड बिकॉज ऑफ द कनेक्टिंग केबल. आता याला केबल असल्यामुळे याला आपण जास्त लांब बसून ऑपरेट नाही करू शकत, पण याला हे वायरलेस असल्यामुळे आपण लांब बसून पण हा कीबोर्ड ऑपरेट करू शकतो. यू कॅन यूज इट फ्रॉम एनीवेअर बट विदिन द स्पेसिफाईड रेंज. त्याच्या रेंज मध्ये बसून आपण तो ऑपरेट करू शकतो. सो अंडरस्टूड व्हॉट इज डिफरन्स बिटवीन USB कीबोर्ड अँड ब्लूटूथ बेस्ड कीबोर्ड? Understood or
Yes,
not?
ma'am.
समजलं का तुम्हाला?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what is another, which is another Bluetooth based device? Printer is also a Bluetooth based device. Okay. आतापर्यंत आपण काय प्रिंटर कसं कनेक्ट करतो? बाय युजिंग केबल, पॉवर कॉर्ड आणि डेटा VGA केबल वापरून आपण प्रिंटर केबल आणि पॉवर कॉर्ड वापरूनच आपण प्रिंटर कनेक्ट केलाय. आता आपण we can connect the printer by using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth also. So what is Bluetooth based printer? Bluetooth is used in printers to allow an effortless, cordless and wireless printing. Bluetooth printing provides an easier way for your computer to pass on print jobs to your printer without the need for physical connection. Okay. Now Bluetooth based printer जर असेल तर तुम्हाला फिजिकली तो प्रिंटर पीसी ला कनेक्ट करायची गरज नाहीये. Bluetooth printers operate via wireless technology that can be configured to operate iOS, Android and Windows devices. This system transmits data at low powered radio signal at 2.4 gigahertz. Now how the Bluetooth printer can operate? It can operate on iOS, Android and Windows device. Okay. Bluetooth printer can be connected to the device which has iOS, Android or Windows operating system, and it transmits data at 2.4 gigahertz. Now what is difference between Bluetooth and Wi-Fi based printer? Now wireless printer comes in two basic types, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Bluetooth is simple to set up and use, but it is more appropriate for small spaces and limited number of users, while Wi-Fi take more time to set up, but it can serve more users over a great range. Okay. समजलं का what is difference between Wi-Fi based and Bluetooth based printer? Both Bluetooth based and Wi-Fi based printers are wireless. But then what is the difference? Bluetooth printer is simple to set up. Wi-Fi printer it takes more time for setup. Bluetooth printer has limited space, or it can work in limited space, or it can have limited number of users. Wi-Fi printer can operate on great range or large range than Bluetooth based printer. Okay, understood? Now, how to identify Bluetooth based printer? कसं identify करायचं? If this printer
मागची
is...
slide explain करा.
See, what is... आता आपण काय पाहिलं? ब्लूटूथ बेस्ड कीबोर्ड पाहिलं, ब्लूटूथ बेस्ड माऊस पाहिलं. ओके, समजलं का सगळ्यांना?
हो.
जे वायरलेस कीबोर्ड आणि माऊस असतात ते काय असतात, मोस्टली ब्लूटूथ बेस असतात. मोस्टली the mouse and keyboards are Bluetooth based. Now Bluetooth based, this facility is available. Okay. Now what is अजून कोणते डिव्हाइस ब्लूटूथ बेस आहे जे आपण कनेक्ट करू शकतो? प्रिंटर आहे. अजून एखादं डिव्हाइस सांगता येईल का तुम्हाला? दॅट इज ब्लूटूथ बेस्ड
Speaker.
डिव्हाइस. स्पीकर कनेक्ट केलं का तुम्ही बाय युजिंग ब्लूटूथ?
Yes.
Have you all connected speaker using Bluetooth?
Yes. Yes.
Again, which device is the Bluetooth based device?
Headphones.
Nowadays, projector is also connected by using Bluetooth. Okay. Now, what is Bluetooth based printers? Bluetooth is used in printer to allow effortless, cordless and wireless printing. Bluetooth based printer मध्ये आपल्याला काय करावं, we don't have to use cables to connect the printer to PC. Bluetooth printers provide an easier way for your computer to pass on print job to your printer without need for any physical connection. Okay. Now Bluetooth printers operate via wireless technology that can be configured to operate across. Now see how this Bluetooth printer can configure. It can be configured on any device which has iOS, Android, and Windows operating system. Okay. Now, wireless printers are of two types. Now, they are Bluetooth based and Wi-Fi based. Now, what is the difference between Bluetooth based printer and Wi-Fi based printer? Both are wireless, but Bluetooth printer is simple to set up, while Wi-Fi printer takes more time to set up. Bluetooth printer operate on small geographical area, or it operates on limited user, whereas Wi-Fi based printer operate on larger geographical area. Okay, its range is Wi-Fi based printers range is more than Bluetooth based printers, range of Bluetooth based printer. Now, how you will identify whether the printer is Bluetooth based? Now, depending on the model, press the Bluetooth button or navigate to the setup or network menu to access Bluetooth setting. Open the Bluetooth setting on computer or mobile device and then confirm that the feature is turned on. Okay. Now you can operate the Bluetooth based device from mobile also or from computer also. So in the setting, if the Bluetooth feature is turned on, if the setting is turned on, that means your device is Bluetooth based. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
समजलं का सर्वांना ब्लूटूथ बेस्ड डिव्हाइस काय आहे?
Yes, ma'am.